Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are all well. The topic of our today's video is how we can configure the router and how to do all its settings. Now we will configure the router of a Tenda and tell how the router is configured. Before proceeding to your topic, we request you all to like the video, and those who have not subscribed to our channel should subscribe to the channel, so that every new coming video can reach you easily. Now we move to our topic. First of all, we have to turn on the router and connect the internet cable to the router's WAN port. Then connect the router to the computer or mobile. After connecting the router with the computer or mobile, open a browser. As I have opened Chrome browser. After opening the browser, search the IP address 192.168.0.1 in the above search box. After searching the IP address, something like this will appear. From here, we have to configure the router. On this page, we have to do two types of settings. Number 1, internet setting, and number 2, wireless setting. First, we do internet setting. In this setting, first, we have to select connection type PPPoE. After that, we have to enter the username and password which is given to us by the internet service provider. After entering the username and password, we proceed to the number 2 wireless setting. In this setting, we enter Wi-Fi name and Wi-Fi password, which Hum has to put his Wi-Fi name and password. After entering the username and password, click on the OK option below and complete the settings. After completing the setting, we got Wi-Fi option to connect Wi-Fi with computer or mobile. After connecting, open the web browser again and search the IP address 192.168.0.1. As soon as you search the IP address, you will see the main page of the router, as you see. Then the last option is to click on the Side Pay Administrator. With this option, the main page of the router is secured so that no one else can change the setting. As soon as you click on the administrator option, you will see the first option of login password. Here you have to set the password and confirm the password. As soon as you type the password and click on the OK option below, the password will be set and a page like this will be displayed. Now, if anyone wants to change the setting, he will see this page. He will not be able to change the setting until the same password is known. Now we log in the page by entering the password, so that I can tell you some more settings of the router. After finishing the page, we have to go again to the administrator option. If you have to scroll down the page after administrating option, you will see Start IP and End IP option. Leave the Start IP the same and change the End IP to 105. If you want to connect the winning mobile, select End IP. I had to select 5 mobiles. That's why I have selected 105. You have to select according to your own calculation and click on the OK option below to complete the setting. This is the end of our video. Hope you understand the video. Thank you very much for sticking with us till now. Before ending the video, I request all those who have not subscribed to our channel to subscribe so that every new video can reach you easily.